Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Ford EcoSport, step by step. First, gather your safety gear, including gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off. Then, position the assisting vehicle so it is close enough for the jumper cables to easily reach both batteries. This preparation is crucial for a safe and successful jumpstart. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. First, take one red positive clamp and attach it to the positive terminal of your EcoSport's dead battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Then, attach one black negative clamp to the good battery's negative terminal. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your EcoSport, away from the battery. With the cables connected, it's time to start the engines. Begin by starting the assisting vehicle's engine and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After 5 minutes, try to start your Ford EcoSport. If it doesn't start immediately, wait another 2 or 3 minutes before attempting again. Remember, do not crank the engine for more than 10 seconds at a time. Once your EcoSport is running, it's time to safely disconnect the cables. First, turn off both vehicles. Then, remove the black negative clamp from the unpainted metal surface on your EcoSport. Next, disconnect the black negative clamp from the assisting vehicle's battery. After that, remove the red positive clamp from the assisting vehicle's battery. Finally, remove the red positive clamp from your EcoSport's battery. Drive your EcoSport for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.